Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings with Shannon Rollings Real Estate. What are the trends in new construction? If you are building a new home and want to be sure you're selecting finishes that might keep you current for a long time, it can sometimes be stressful if you're building a new home to pick out finishes and design that will stay current for a long time. I have buyers sometimes say, well, should I do that? Does it make sense? Do you think it'll stay current? Well, here are some trends that we're seeing that I think you probably will be pretty safe with. The first is front porches and back porches with lightly stained ceilings. They cost a little bit more money, but they sure do look nice, and they add just a little bit more warmth to the front and back porches. A second trend we're seeing is with the big islands, of course, but storage on the opposite side of the island underneath where everybody is sitting. Now, you're not going to be accessing it on a regular basis, but if you just have some big pots or some appliances that you don't use regularly, it's a great place to store those kinds of things. Another thing is some wall treatments. We did see a lot of wall treatment in entire rooms going around with the board and batten or with the shiplap, but we're seeing it used more now on a limited basis as more as an accent wall. We also are seeing there being trim put on the walls in a whole room, maybe from floor to ceiling, and painting the wall and the trim the same level of paint. The same color, of course, but the same finish of paint. Another thing we are seeing is ceiling treatments now more frequently with some shiplap or some beams, other ways to dress up your ceiling and just give a little bit more depth to the room. One last thing we are seeing that is a little questionable whether it will stay on trend or not is the standalone slipper tubs. A lot of people really love the look of that, but other buyers are also saying, well, it looks great, but if I want to relax in the tub and have my favorite beverage, an iced tea or a glass of wine, there's no edge to set it on that is safe and enough room to actually set it on. So some buyers are not quite sure if they like that idea. Last thing, mud benches. Mud benches, small, large, any size, are super popular, and if you don't have enough room to fit it right when you come in through the garage, a great place to also put it is actually in the garage. They can drop the shoes, the bags, the coats, whatever there, and it helps keep your house all neat and organized. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions about something's a good idea to do or not to do in building a home or even renovating your home, give me a call. I'd be glad to help you. My team and I are on standby 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. 7 days a week. Feel free to send me a text, an email, or leave me a message or call, and I'll try to return your call as quickly as possible. Look forward to helping you.